Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat from Modern International School, ISWA. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 2, that is Animal World. In the previous lectures, we discussed about chapter 1, that is growing plants. Now today we will discuss about Animal World. We all know that animals lives everywhere, in the mountains, in the desert, in the coastal areas, in the plains, inside the water, in the sky also. So animals lives everywhere. Now, so first we have to understand about environment, that is the area where we all live or where animals live is called their environment. So depending upon the environment, their habits, their food, their body modification, everything varies from one another. So let's discuss about habitat. The area where an animal lives naturally. The area where an animal lives naturally is called the habitat of that animal. Like fish lives inside the water, birds lives on the trees and in the sky, monkey live on the tree. So this type different animals lives in different areas. So let's discuss one by one their features. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the body covering of animals. So first of all, we will discuss about fish. We all see fish. Fishes live in water. The body of fish is covered with scales, flexible scales. They overlap each other. This helps the fish to overcome the pressure of water and protect the body of fish. Then comes the reptiles. Reptiles' body is covered with scales and they also protect the body of reptiles. Then comes tortoise and turtles. We all know that the body of turtle and tortoise is covered with a hard shell which protect them from their enemies. Next comes the birds. Bird's body is covered with feathers. Bird's body is covered with feathers. These feathers keep the body of the bird warm and protect them from cold climate or cold season. Protect them in winter season. Next comes the bear and sheep. Bear and sheep. We all know that we get wool from the sheep. So their body cover is hair and fur. And this hair and fur protect the sheep from the winter, and we also get wool from the sheep. Their body is also covered with fur which help them to live in cold climate. So this way different animals' body is covered with different types of structures. I hope you will understand this topic, class. Any problem, ask me. Have a great day, class. Be safe at home. Thank you.